Hello guys and welcome back to my channel I love 164. Today we are back with the new unboxing of Toyota GR86 from the Liberty Walk. So as we know, this is very normal packaging that comes from the mini GT, the usual I should say, not normal. And here we have the star. I really like these kits on the from the Liberty Walk. These are just amazing. We have the details of Advan on the wheels, and there is a Liberty Walk sign here. Also, we have Liberty Walk here. The back is really amazing with the long spoiler on it. We have a tail light here as well, the red light. The front of this car is so damn amazing. There is a Toyota logo on it, the carbon fiber hood, and slammed sticker. I really like these fenders on this Liberty Walk car. We don't have much of detailing on the bottom except the exhaust and rear. Look at this. Everything mentioned. It's Liberty Walks and JDM style. This is actually a really cool car. Really cool car. Now let's do the roll test. Yeah, it rolls really good. It rolls really good. And when they roll, we park them. So let's park them here. Let me know guys if you like this car and what exactly you liked about it. You can always question me in the comment box and leave your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video because that's free, you know. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.